Here's how you set up for this strategy. First, your candle time frame should be 1 minute and your trade expiry time should be 2 minutes, and you add the following indicators to your candlestick charts: moving average, stochastic oscillator, and demarker indicator. Change your moving average to be period 50 and type is a weighted moving average WMA. For the stochastic oscillator, the smoothing period is changed to 4 and the stochastic moving averages are changed to WMA. Add the line thickness and save. The demarker indicator is used with its default settings with thickened lines to confirm the entry signals of the stochastic oscillator. I will take both call and put option trades with the 2-minute strategy and explain how the strategy works. Here is a good entry for call option trades, and you first use the moving average to identify if the market trend is good for trades or not. If the market trend is good, then you get a buy or sell signals from the indicators below your charts when they are leaving the overbought condition or they are leaving the oversold condition. Like on the screen now, the moving average is moving between the candles and not going upward nor downward, indicating the market is ranging at the moment, and when the market is ranging it is very good moment for trades. When you identify the trend, you take call trades like the ones on the screen now when both the stochastic oscillator and the demarker indicator leave the oversold condition upward towards the overbought condition. Now, let's watch how the trades will play out and close at the entry point. We made first profit here. This is a good entry for sell trades with this 2-minute easy strategy. First, you can see the market trend clearly as the weighted moving average is going downward strictly, and in such situations I place only put or sell trades to avoid placing trades against the market trend direction. The signal is given by the stochastic oscillator as it is leaving the overbought condition downward, and the entry signals is confirmed by the demarker indicator as it is leaving the overbought condition downward as well. Let's wait for the trades to play out and we continue with different entry signals from the strategy. The entry was good and we made profit. This is another sell entry, but the moving average is going upward, but observing from the previous behavior of the charts, the candles will go below the moving average as it have been crossing below and back upward. The sell signal is given by the stochastic oscillator as it left the overbought condition downward, and the demarker indicator confirms the entry as it also left the overbought condition downward. Let's watch how it plays out this time. The trades closed with profit, but it did not play out great because the entry was against the market trend direction. Here the moving average is going upward and the stochastic oscillator and the demarker indicator are all leaving the oversold condition upward, confirming a call option trade entry. Let's see how it goes. All profit from the entry, great. Here the moving average is moving between the candles, indicating a small ranging move in the market trend. The stochastic oscillator is crossing downward from the overbought condition and the demarker indicator is also completely in the overbought condition, indicating the market will reverse at any time from now, making it a good sell entry. Closed with profit, great. At this sell entry, the moving average is going downward, indicating a downward trend for sell trades. The stochastic oscillator is crossing downward from the overbought condition and the demarker indicator is in the overbought condition, confirming the entry pro put trades. We lost the two last trades, but today was really great. Please take note that your results will depend on how experienced you are in trading and how you manage your capital and profits. Turn on the notifications after subscribing and you won't miss out on new tutorials.